Hello, we are here as group number 26 and I am Jean Damour Nyonesemo.
And Clemence Mutter.
And we have another member called Desiree who wasn't able to make it, and we are going to talk about McGregor's theory X and theory Y and Hasbach's two-factor. Starting from McGregor's theory X, the theory X assumes that the average employee dislikes work and avoiding responsibility and lack ambition and must be closely supervised. And managers using this approach often rely on strict rules, micromanagement, punishment, and external rewards to drive performance. It is a command and control style of management.
As my girl said that this theory I am constructing, now allow me to introduce about the theory Y. According to this theory Y, they say that it views employees as naturally motivated, responsible, and capable of self-direction. And also they assume that people find work to be as natural as play if they are passionate and committed. And also they say that managers who follow this theory emphasize truth, development, participation, and empowerment.
I'm going to continue with example with this theory and the application. The first, imagine a company struggling with low productivity and high employees turnover. The theory X manager might implement tighter control and punish in underperformance. However, theory X approach would involve encouraging open communication, delegating meaningful tasks, offering opportunity of professional growth. This shift can address organization challenge by enhancing job satisfaction and increasing trust and certification access of purpose. They highlighted in the switch education theory Y is more aligned with modern workplace that are ready and creativity, innovation, and teamwork. And my colleague is going to continue with the second question called Hasbach two-factor theory.
The Hasbach two-factor theory was introduced by Frederick Hasbach, developed this two-factor theory, and it called that the motivation hygiene theory. After interviewing hundreds of engineers and applicants, he identified two distinct categories of factors that influence job attitude. The first one is hygiene factor and motivation factor. And the hygiene factor prevents dissatisfaction. In hygiene factor, I found out it includes salary, job security, company's policies, supervision, working conditions, and these do not motivate, but their absence causes dissatisfaction. And my colleague is going to say about motivator factors.
Now we are going to talk about motivator facts. About motivator facts, there are achievement, recognition, responsibility, investment, and meaningful work. These are incentive to the job and truly boost motivation when present. Now we are going to talk about the example and application of this theory. Now let's take an example. Suppose employees at manufacturing firm are showing signs of disengagement disputes, good salaries and benefits. While hygiene facts are in place, there are no growth opportunities or recognition programs. Now, to improve motivation, the manager can create recognition programs for high performance, provide career development plan, design job to include more autonomy and challenges.
McGregor's and Hasbach's theories offer valuable insight into employees' behavior. Here, I can recommend to use theory Y to build a culture of trust and self-motivation, and apply Hasbach's two-factor theory to design roles and environment that support both satisfaction and motivation.